In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use gems in Gemini to save time with AI. Gems are like your own custom versions of Gemini that focus on a specific task or style, so you don't have to repeat instructions every time. If you're busy and want consistent, fast results, setting up a gem is a great way to streamline your workflow. First, open your Gemini account. Use your browser or the app and sign in so you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Gems. This is where all your custom assistants live, and it's the hub you'll return to whenever you want to create, organize, or launch them. Next, click Gems to enter that area and then select New Gem. This opens a setup page where you can define what your gem is for. You'll see a field to enter a name. Give it a clear, descriptive title that tells you at a glance what it does, something like Meeting Notes Helper, Social Post Drafts, or Code Review Buddy. A good name saves time later when you're juggling multiple gems. After you've typed the name, click Save. That's the moment your gem is created and stored in your list. Saving locks in the identity of your gem so you can come back to it any time. Now click Start Chat. This launches a conversation window dedicated to that gem. Think of it as a clean workspace that already understands its purpose from the name and the instructions you'll provide. From here, enter your prompts. Be specific and provide context so Gemini can deliver exactly what you need. For example, instead of write a summary, try summarize this article in 5 bullet-style sentences, plain language, under 120 words, and include one actionable takeaway. Add constraints like tone, length, format, or audience to guide the output. You can also paste examples or short snippets to show the style you prefer. After you submit your prompt, wait patiently while Gemini generates the response. Complex requests can take a little longer, especially if they involve multiple constraints or detailed analysis. If the first result isn't perfect, refine your next prompt by clarifying what to keep, what to change, and what to emphasize. Since you're inside a dedicated gem, your instructions will stay focused on the task at hand, helping you move faster with fewer revisions. That's it. Open your Gemini account, go to Gems, create a new gem, name it, save it, start a chat, and enter your prompts. With a few thoughtful instructions, your gem becomes a reliable shortcut that saves time every single day.